So the road from Chicago to Peru is a long road, and there were towns in between. How did it happen that Peru got this stuff?
Well, my wife and her family will be very happy to hear this part. She is from this area,
Oh,
so
she is?
she
Okay.
introduced us to it, and we recognized there weren't many restaurants doing the concept that we proposed out here. So
Perfect.
we thought we would bring it out to this area
Yeah.
and see what happens. It was either going to make it or it was going to fail miserably. So
Yeah.
5 years later, we're still going.
It's good.
Yeah, it's
That's a good
fantastic.
sign.
It is a good sign.
And
It is.
the pandemic happened in the middle of all that as well, right?
It did.
In the beginning of that?
Yeah, about 3 months in.
Three.
About 3 months in.
Chef, were you like, well, here we go. Now what?
I mean, it was definitely an interesting time. We would just sit around the table. Actually, this particular table is the table that we sat at, and we just played poker every single day, and then did takeout orders as they would come in. So yeah, a lot of fun during that time. Let me,
I love
grab
your
another pair of
plates.
gloves. Oh, thank you. So we actually get everything from, people donate plates to us all the time if somebody passes away in the family and they bring us stuff. And then we do like a lot of secondhand shopping.
And
to
then
all
they
plates.
come and eat here and cry because that's their mom.
Right, exactly. So, but like that was the idea when we ripped apart this place. We kind of like put everything back together, like from like we took all the restored wood and put it on the walls, and like we kind of like recycled everything. Like that's the whole point. Like everything
good.
local, everything recycled. So,
And
yeah,
all from here.
all from here. Everything local. So this next dish I want to show you, this is another dish that never comes off the menu. So this is pork belly. Same thing, we get local pigs. This is the belly of the pork. This has been on the menu since day one.
I don't even, what is pork belly really?
So it's literally the belly of the pig.
And is it the fattiest sort
The
of
fattiest and most delicious part of the pig.
So this isn't the pork that my mom served when I grew up?
It is not.
No.
It is not. So we.
And what do you do with yours?
So we braise this for like 3 hours and get it super tender. And then we're gonna slice it when it comes out of the oven, and we're gonna cook this to order, heat it back up, crisp up the skin. So I'm just gonna put a little salt on here.
Does it come in a roast like?
It comes as a whole belly, like
In the whole
literally
belly?
like a whole belly. So we score it, season it, roast it in the oven, braise it for like 3 hours.
Can you talk about your customer? Who's your guest?
A lot of foodies passing through come in, but everyone comes in for the burger. We had 3 guys come in. They all did double burgers with bacon and duck eggs on them yesterday, and it was.
What was the burger? Say it again.
It was a double. It was grass-fed burger, but they did double patties with duck eggs and bacon, and the thing was about 6-8 inches high, and it was.
Wow.
So it's all over the ballpark, but
Yeah.
yeah, we appreciate them all.
There's Laura. She's in charge of the bar, right?
I oversee our bar concept here at Thyme Craft Kitchen.
Nice. You know the chef guy?
Kind of. A little bit.
You're his
To
wife.
say the least. I am the chef's wife. Yeah, yes.
And behind a bar is and being in charge of
I
this.
oversee the bar concept as well as the staff for front of the house. And we have a food trailer concept, so I do off-site catering.
Oh, you do?
And we are everywhere that we can possibly be.
Yeah.
So a
Busy.
lot of weddings, rehearsal dinners, showers, and
Yeah.
all things celebratory. We can bring the trailer directly to you, and we offer multiple service styles.
Oh, that's
From buffet, family style, seated and coursed.
But with the same quality of food that's served in the restaurant.
It's all customizable.
Yeah.
We honor all dietary restrictions and allergens.
Yeah.
Same quality of food that you see here in the restaurant.
Good. Thanks for talking to me.
Absolutely, thank you.
And we have a signature cocktail that you're going to show me.
We absolutely do. This is a customer favorite, our Wasting Time.
Say it again.
Our Wasting Time
Wasting
cocktail.
Time.
It's our signature cocktail. It is our customer favorite.
Good. What's in it?
So we have Citadel Gin, which is what we incorporate. It is from the Cognac region of France. It's very light and floral, very crisp,
Nice.
and very herbaceous with over 17 botanicals. So it's our well gin, and it's from France. It's delightful.
That was kind of perfect right there.
Seasonally, we change everything. However, this has become our signature and stays on as a staple offering. And when it's not even on the menu, typically customers do ask for it often. So we always have it readily available.
You better, right?
We better, or else we do hear it.
Right.